Hi, this is Tracy Grzybowski, the Director of Marketing at Omnipress, and coming to you from my sunroom here at home as we all adjust to a new normal and working virtually. We know that a lot of our customers are also trying to adjust and figure out ways to deliver their instructor led courses virtually as well. So, here at Omnipress, we have been working fast and furiously to adapt our existing digital products and develop them further to allow you to very quickly go virtual and on demand with your instructor led courses. So the way it works is we do have a video capture software that you can use that's really easy for your instructors to turn their partial, full, or multi-day courses into smaller sections for their learners to be able to easily digest, record those and deliver them as videos, or they can use whatever tool they prefer. It really doesn't matter. And then we publish it to our online video training platform where learners can very easily access each section's video as well as any additional materials like PowerPoints or handouts, worksheets, what have you. Um, we know that a lot of you also use us in particular to send out those printed materials to your learners, workbooks, course books, manuals, what have you. And you can still do that. You can still offer a blended approach to your learning by supplementing the instructor video with that course book or workbook by sending them directly to your learners at their homes. So we can take care of that for you. If you have other materials that you want to send, like practice exams, certificates, what have you, we can kit that all up into really handy learner kits and again send that directly to their home. So if you have any questions about what we may be able to do for you, so that you can take these instructor-led courses and deliver them virtually, again, very quick and simply, feel free to email your sales representative or your project manager. Otherwise, you can email us at justask@omnipress.com. In the meantime, I hope you all stay safe, stay healthy, stay sane, and know that we will all get through this together. And we are here to help you continue to deliver your mission of delivering education to your learners and hopefully generate some ongoing revenue in the meantime. Thanks.